Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare my all-weather fondant just with 1 kg ice and sugar. Due to the 5 kg ice and sugars recipe I posted last time, I got a lot of questions. People were finding it very difficult to divide the recipe. So I decided to make a 1 kg video to suit everybody and to make sure my fans are all happy and excited. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to join this lovely family? A lot of videos coming, tutorials coming soon for you. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. Just click on the subscribe button, click on notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Let's get started. Here we have 1 kg ice and sugar. That's only what we're going to use. We'll have my glucose. We'll be using 1/3 cup. That's 1/3 cup of glucose. We'll have my gelatin, 1 tablespoon of gelatin, CMC powder, 2 teaspoons of CMC powder, 2 teaspoons, water, 1/3 cup. That's 1/3 cup of water. That is all you need. Add 1 tablespoon of gelatin to your plate. Add your 1/3 cup of water. That's 1/3 cup of water to it. Stir a little. You set a pot of water on a medium heat and you place your gelatin. Start stirring till everything is completely dissolved. Make sure to sieve your ice and sugar. Take your time to break out all the lumps. When every grain is well dissolved, you bring it out and you add your 1/3 cup of glucose to it. That's 1/3 cup of glucose into it and you combine. You take it back to the heat and make sure everything is completely dissolved and mixed together. This is what I'm looking for. Everything is well dissolved. Set it aside to cool. Right now, adding, make sure to wash your hand very neat. Using your bare hands works better with fondant than wearing gloves. So make sure to wash your hand very well. Add in your CMC powder. That's 2 teaspoons of CMC powder. Off camera, I added 1 teaspoon. I'm adding the second one. Okay, sieve it in. You combine and start adding your gelatin mixture. If you're here, you have not subscribed to this channel, like I said before, subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of my new video. If I post any new video, you will get an alert. Feel free to join this lovely family, because we'll be trying a lot of realistic cake, a lot of cakes, a lot of planks for this channel coming soon. You can also check out my other videos. I have more than 200 and something videos, cake, pastries, small chops, and so many things you might be looking for. Feel free to check everything, and also feel free to invite a friend to this channel. If you're watching this video, make sure to like this video. If you like my video, other people will be able to see the video and also watch it. So make sure to like this video. If you notice, I've almost exhausted all my liquid, everything. I have exhausted everything all. You can see I scraped the plate to make sure everything is out. I'm very sure of this recipe, that's why I'm not panicking. So if you're using this recipe, you have to come back and thank me later, because this recipe is one of the best ever. This is a recipe I use for my wedding cake, for every practical I do on this channel. This is my newest recipe. It has been working like magic. So if you have not tried out this recipe, try it out and you will enjoy. You must come back and thank me later. But one thing with this recipe, initially it will be looking very stiff or hard to knit, but be patient with it. Take your time and knit. The more you knit and knit and knit, you notice the fondant will start getting soft. So just take your time and knit it. Don't be discouraged. Take your time. If you knit it to an extent, it would start being elastic, and the more you knit, the more elastic it looks. Just look, our fondant is ready, looking wow, looking so elastic. To my old subscribers, I won't forget you all. Thank you so much for coming around to watch my all new videos and so many other things, for sharing my video, for bringing people to my channel, for inviting people here. I'm so grateful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.